Hi everyone, today's Valentine's nail is going to be a negative space heart. We're going to start with distributing some gel residue wipe off solution into a small container, a little dampening dish, grabbing yourself a gel brush, and I'm doing this on a clear nail pop so you can see straight through it, and I'm going to go straight in with IBD Just Gel in Lucky Red. Doing a coat of that. Do not cure that. We're then going to grab our gel brush with some gel residue wipe off on it, and we are going to carve out our heart. So this is a little bit of a different way of doing a negative space, probably a bit of a cat-handed way of doing it. So we've got our cotton pad there so we can wipe off every time we carve some of the red out. So we were just wiping it off of that brush. That pad has also got some residue wipe off solution on it as well. So we're just going to carve out our heart until we're happy with the shape, and make sure all of that gel is well and truly wiped off, and then you can pop that in the lamp to cure for the recommended time. And then you're going to go back in and repeat the process. It's a little bit easier on the second coat. You will just paint round, try not to get anything over the heart, but we're going to clean up once again with that same gel brush if any did get into our negative space area. And once we have done all that, you are just going to carry on, pop a nice layer of top coat onto that nail and cure once again, and you're done. It is that simple, that easy. It's really cool as well. Obviously I've done it on a clear nail pop so you can see right the way through it, so this would look really good, especially if you had long nails and you had a clear nail tip, or you did a sculpted nail extension in clear, and that would look amazing. So much fun, looks so great. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be back tomorrow with another Valentine's easy peasy nail art design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying these, and leave any comments, and I will see you all next time. See you later. Bye.